Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create text embeddings for your particular text as well as compare two text embeddings as well. Now I'm not an expert in text embeddings or embeddings in general, but it is mostly used in this AI context where you want to create a chatbot or something, or if you want to upload embeddings for something inside a vector database. I think this can be useful. So for now I'm just using NextJS, but you can use any web framework which you feel like. Also inside my code I have hard coded this two text like hello how are you and hello how are you. I have kept it similar just because I can show you the similarity. So we are generating embeddings for both of these text and we are comparing these text by their embeddings. Now some of you might feel like why we are generating embeddings, we can directly use the triple equal to sign and compare this, but yeah, for some AI cases I think embeddings are useful. So yeah, again, and we are comparing them by their embeddings, we are not directly comparing the string. So if I quickly click on refresh, and here you can see, if I click on the find button, here you can see similarity is 1. So the similarity ranges from 0 to 1. Now suppose if I enter some different text, hello, I will just enter I am fine, okay, and if I click on refresh again, and if I click on find, here you can see that these are similar 0.95%, which is little high I think, but you know they are not exactly similar. That's what I'm trying to say. Again, they are getting compared by their embeddings and not exactly by their string. So for this I'm using this documentation, so if you want you can follow this documentation. So first what we'll have to do is that first inside your package.json you will have to install this MediaPipe task text dependency. Just do an npm install. Then inside page.tsx I have just added this use client thing, and because this use client is specific to Next.js, because everything in Next.js nowadays are statically rendered or server side rendered, that's why I'm using this use client. Then I have imported use effect and file set resolver and text embedder from MediaPipe task text. I have created text embedder variable as well, and inside use effect we are calling the init method. Once that is called, we are just calling file set resolver dot for text task, and here we are just passing that cd, and this version should be typically the same what you have inside a package.json for MediaPipe task text. Then we are initializing text embedder, so we are calling create from options, passing text files, passing the model asset path. If you want to know where I got the model asset path, here you can see it is specified in the documentation, or you can go over here inside overview, you can get the model link as well. So just click over here, copy link. Next, inside the button on click, if text embedder has been initialized, we are calling text embedder.embed, pass your string. Similarly for second one as well, and we are just calling text embedder dot cosine similarity, we are passing the embeddings for both of these results, and we are just printing out the similarity. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.